Pillsbury crescent rolls. Open these up and we're gonna make some peach enchiladas.
Ooh, sounds
good.
interesting.
Come out simple today. Okay, you should have 8 of them in a roll. Just gonna unroll your crescent rolls. Take where you've got the large end, and you're going to take peach. You can have fresh or canned. You're gonna roll your peach in your crescent roll, starting at the large end.
And that's a quarter of a peach right there?
Yes, it's a quarter because
Okay.
we bought halves and then we just halved them.
Got it.
Then you're gonna take them and place them in a greased 9x13 dish. Makes them look just like a little turnover.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, now you've got them all in your pan. If you have any extra peaches, you can just eat them afterwards. Take 2 sticks of butter and melt it. You're gonna add in 1.5 cups of sugar. There's 1 cup. Here's the half. Kind of stir this up first.
Thick.
That is thick. And we're gonna add in a teaspoon of cinnamon.
That teaspoon really mixes through
Oh,
the whole
yeah.
thing.
And that is a thick mixture. So now you gotta pour it over these little peach enchiladas. Take it. Make sure everybody gets a little dribble.
Oh.
What could you go wrong with butter, sugar, and cinnamon?
Mm-mm.
This one down back here looks like it needs a little more.
It's like a nice little glaze.
Glaze, okay. Now when you've got all of that over your enchiladas, you're gonna take 1 can of Mountain Dew. It's not diet, just plain Mountain Dew.
Regular Mountain Dew.
We're gonna pop a top, pour it over.
Oh, wow. That's so interesting. I've never seen this before.
Gonna bake at 350 for 45 minutes.
Was that heavy?
No, I'm just so liquidy that
Oh, yeah, it looks a little...
Let you get the oven
yeah,
door.
I'll get the door.
we'll check it in 45 minutes.
All righty.
Oh, these look delicious.
Those look really good. Mm-hmm.
Those peach enchiladas look excellent.
Ready?
Mm-hmm.
All right, so I'm gonna go for this one here.
Well, that looks really
Looks
good.
Really good.
Looks good and brown.
I got a little bit of peach in
Oh,
there.
yeah.
Yeah. Mmm. Y'all, this one's really good.
Peach enchiladas, y'all. Look at that.
This is really good. And just in time for peach season too.
Oh, yes.
Next time we make it, we're gonna get some fresh peaches.
Okay, good deal.